Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to share with you my review of my amazing red Kelly dupe bag. So this is an Hermes Kelly dupe in red. I think this is red Kusa in the original red of the Hermes Birkin. I am Hermes Kelly, and the color Rouge Kusak is like a true red, and I really like that kind of red, and luckily I was able to find it. Now I will try to find where I got this, but I think this one is not anymore available on the shop where I got this from. So I will try to link down the other shops that has this kind of similar bag. But I will also I'm already starting to link down also a real leather of those type of bags, because I think you guys would be interested also in investing on a real leather Kelly dupe bag. So this one is a Kelly dupe bag because, like I said, this is a dupe. So it's not the actual to the Hermes Kelly, and I don't think I'll be planning on getting that because the weight of a real Kelly bag is really heavy. But other than that, I really like the design. I do appreciate it. I appreciate almost all luxury brands and their designs, and I do enjoy watching and looking at them, watching videos about them, but I don't think I'm opting for it on my kind of lifestyle. So let's get into the review of this bag. So this is, I think, close to the size 25. I think the 28 is a bit bigger, a bit wider, also a bit taller, but I prefer the 25, and I think it's the best size for me as a nice chill work bag because I don't bring as much often when I'm going to the work nowadays. So I bring this one. This is such a nice bag. It's in pure red. Like I said, red is like my main fashion signature, so I really love a red bag. And then this is in like a light gold hardware. It's not like stark gold, which I like about it, and it kind of like makes it look elegant. So the bag has a long strap like this, and this one is luckily adjustable. The only flaw to this kind of dupe bag is because this one doesn't have a lock here. I don't know if this is like going to be the lock, but if not, I don't think so. So this is kind of like flimsy like that, but it doesn't really bother me as much. So this one makes it look like I'm not some person that's, easily could be robbed, because my bag is not the legit bag. So I'm kind of comfortable with that, so I'm okay. So yeah, I like this bag. So it is really big. There's a lot of things that you can fit inside. Actually I recently used this bag actually out, so I have a couple of receipts here that I need to take note of because I don't want to forget that. And then there's like a one pocket here, a one small pocket there. So this is a big black hole. So, and then there's a zipper pocket there. So the thing about PU leather bags like this is PU leather bag. So it's light, so it's not heavy, but it's also not as superly structured. Especially like this one. This one is a bit more flimsy compared to the natural original bag because I think that's more structured. But it depends also if you're going to get the retorn or the cellier. So this one is convenient, and I do bring a lot of stuff with me to work even on a regular basis. So one of it is my phone. But other than that, I tend to bring two phones nowadays. So I bring another one, which is this one, which is such a cute phone. Now, that one I bring also, and actually the main reason I bring this because it's easy to kind of use and then to take videos of my kid. She's very adorable, so I use this one. It's like very convenient. And then I have, like I said, my obsession for red is astronomical, so I do bring a red wallet as well. Plus, it's easier to see in the black hole. You can, wait, you can see it there. See? It can easily see it, so it's very convenient. Then I tend to bring a big kind of alcohol bottle because I do need it, spraying it for my kid when she goes play around in the grass or on the ground, so I really need it. So it fits perfectly there. Now this one, I tend to have an organizer for this, but right now it's in the wash, so I'm not, putting it here and flaunting it to you guys, but apologies for that if you wanted to see it. It's just a typical organizer. I would try to link similar ones of what I use, so that's good. Then I bring a hair tie. I don't anymore think of getting like those elegant hair ties. It's like not really a bother to me anymore. Plus sometimes I also bring my clamp. But nowadays I just bring a hair tie because I tend to enjoy curling my hair. So it stays curled more when I just twist it with a hair tie. So that's why a hair tie is what I bring. So this one, I just sometimes put it in the slot here the small slotting. But I tend to also put there my advantage cards whenever I go to the groceries, because sometimes I tend to like pass by the mall and then just check them in case for errands. And whenever I go there, that's why I started bringing this. I love my eco bag. This is so convenient. It's thin, it's simple, it's nylon, so it's waterproof also, so the rain won't be bothered. And this is also perfect because in case the rain, splashes all over you, you have a protection for your bag. So this one fits my bag, so it's really perfect. But I'm thinking of also finding bigger ones, because sometimes it's not enough anymore to bring just one. Sometimes it's better to bring two. But since I also bring this big bag, so it will fit two eco bags. Then aside from that, just in case, I do love bringing this one. This is one of my favorite colored lip balm, tinted lip balm from Greenika. This is not sponsored by Greenika, okay? I just really love their lip balm, so that's what I always bring. So this has shea butter, vitamin C and E, and there's castor oil, so it's really great. And the color I tend to bring right now is the rosy pink, so I love that as well. But whenever I bring this one, I tend to bring a really, not really chunky, but the simple makeup pouch. So this is my makeup pouch. And the thing that is inside this makeup pouch is warm colored eye pencil or brow pencil, and then also a cool tone brow pencil. And then aside from that, I do have Stylix, and also I do have my cetirizine here. So I tend to bring a couple of the Stylix and cetirizine because I tend to have allergies that hits me really bad, so I really needed to make sure it's on hand that I have it. And then I also have a pen, a nice black pen just in case, and my mascara. So the versatility to this, since I do bring a tinted lip balm, this is already what I use sometimes as my shadow if I want to put eyeshadow and not just eye pencil. And then I put it also as my blush and my lip balm, so it just goes, and I don't bring too much because I don't really like putting too much makeup, and I also don't like bringing too much stuff in my bag. So that fits perfectly there. It fits so well. And then aside from that, I do have this beautiful, it's one of the new purchase that I got from EO. It's a nice, simple, what do you call this? Glasses wipes, so, or like glass cloth. So it's easy for me to easily bring my glasses and then have this in case it gets foggy or gets scratched. Hopefully it doesn't. But yeah, so far I bring this, I enjoy it. It cleans well, and so I'm good. And then aside from that, I do not forget to bring this compact. This compact has the doctor sensitive powder that I tend to bring. The thing that I have right now is the nude one because I don't put foundation on, I just put on sunscreen. So whenever I want to retouch or want to freshen up my face when I'm outside, I tend to just have a nice kind of tint color on it. That's just as a powder because my sweat is enough to, wet my face. So I tend to just bring a powder instead. So that's great, and it fits perfectly there. So much so far, this is what I basically bring on this beautiful bag here. And it's already enough, and it's strong enough to bring with the strap. Now, the thing that I like about this one compared to the Birkin dupe that I have is because this one you can close it and easily open it like that, and it's not a problem. And it has the long strap. I think more if ever I'm going to eventually give up my bags and then invest for a leather bag that's just one, I will probably start first with the Kelly in a red one because I think it's the most used bag that I will use, the red one, because it's the easiest. Then probably next is a white one. But I would offer this, and I think I might still keep it to the size 25. But I've seen a size 22 option, but it still depends because sometimes I tend to bring a lot more, so a 25 is much easier for me as an everyday bag. So yeah, this is the greatest bag for me so far that I like. When it comes to probably the Hermes collections that I have that are in dupes, because I really like it. I really enjoy it. I'm not sure if ever I was offered like the Kelly itself, the legit one, and then I could afford it at the time. I'm not sure. I still think that I won't get it just because of the weight of the bag that I have to bring, because I have to really take care of it, like, because it's heavy. I won't be able to bring so much on it because it's going to be heavy already. So I don't think I'll be getting it anytime soon. So I'm happy already with the dupe. Plus, it still looks elegant on its own. So yes, I hope you like this video. I hope you guys try this out. This is perfect, and for me, specifically me, I tend to use this as my signature bag, as my go-to bag. So I don't know if you guys are, the type of person who can bring a red bag easily as your kind of bag, because a lot of people tend to just go lean towards the black. But that's not me. I'm not the person who actually lean towards a black bag as my easiest bag to go to. So I tend to use a red bag. But this is the easiest and it's actually on trend now. I love this bag. It's my like safety net when I bring it. Like I said, it's my signature piece in any of my fashion outfits, and it fits in any of my styles. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please comment down below. Please let me know also if you guys like this type of bag or like this Kelly dupe bag, and let me know if you guys want to find out other types of bag dupes that you want me to share, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye!